Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 Renegades game not launching, crashing, lagging, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, now choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings. Now choose network settings, then select test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Now plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check for Destiny 2 Renegades update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear cache of Destiny 2 Renegades game. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All option. Here search for Destiny 2 Renegades game, then press menu. Now choose Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process, and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, now go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Destiny 2 Renegades game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Destiny 2 Renegades official website and download the game, and after that check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact supports. When nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.